Okay, in this lesson, we're going to demonstrate using Getchar without getting the new line character. So one thing I want to create to do this is a function, okay? So I'm going to create a function called getInitial, and we're going to pass nothing into it. This is going to be my function prototype. So this is my function prototype right here. And then below the main function, we'll create the actual function. Again, we're passing in nothing into it. And what we're going to do is we're going to create an integer called initial. And initial will equal the getChar method. But we'll say while getChar does not equal the new line character, and we're not going to do anything during the while loop, we'll just return the initial function at the end, okay? So this is just basically wiping out the, it's wiping out the new line character that getChar will introduce if you hit a character and hit return, okay? Create a first initial, which is an integer in my main function, and a last initial, okay? And then I'm going to printf something like enter the first initial of a character on Supernatural, or whatever, you know. Okay, and then we're going to then call the getInitial function and pass in that into the integer finitial. Okay, and then we're going to printf another statement. We're going to say enter the last initial of the of the same character on Supernatural. Okay, and then we'll again set the last initial equal to this getInitial function. And then finally, we'll printf, we'll say the initials of the character you chose were %C, because we're doing a character, and %C. And then we'll do a /n, and we'll pass in the first initial and the last initial. Okay, and finally, at the end of this main function, we will return 0. Okay. All right, let's open up a terminal and compile this. So I'm going to type GCC and then the name of the file, and we're going to output the same name except without the .c. Okay, and then we'll run it and enter the first initial of a character on Supernatural. Let's see, D. Enter the last initial of the same character on Supernatural, W. The initials of the character you chose were D and W. So that's basically it for this lesson. Thanks for watching.